Hello everyone. It is holiday season and this year I promised my wife to decorate the front of our house with some nice LED cascading lights from one side to the other all along the front of the house. The total length will be about 70 feet. The longest string I could find in store was only 19 feet, so I bought 4 of these boxes. Unfortunately, these don't have an open end, so they cannot be linked together. Each light set has a power adapter and the remote to control the functions and the timer. That means I'll have to run long extension cords along the gutter to power them all. But I don't want to do that, and having separate controls for each string is not what I wanted either. I want all of them to turn on in the evening when it gets dark, run for 5 or 6 hours and then turn off, and without any blinking or any other light effects. This is one of the remotes. I've opened it up just to check the voltages. The power adapter outputs 5 volt DC. There are 3 wires coming out of the remote. One of them is a common, and the other 2 are controlling 2 separate strings of LEDs. On each string, the LEDs are connected alternating polarity, so every second one is reversed compared to the previous one. This way the remote can turn on 4 different sets of LEDs using only 3 wires. In order to have all the lights on, the remote will send AC through all the strings. The common wire goes here, and these 2 are the 2 separate strings. My plan is to use a single 9 volt AC transformer to power on all the LED strings and remove the original power supplies and the remotes. I bought 50 feet of clear cable to match the original wiring of the lights. I used heat shrinking tubes to isolate the connections, and the white cable ties to keep the wires together. I managed to install and connect everything in less than an hour. This is the timer that turns the light on and off. I put the extension cord and the power supply in this little plastic toolbox. Thank you for watching.